Hey, good morning, little gang. What's poppin'? MattSonesTV back with another video. Fuck, I don't know what we're doing yet. I don't know if I can hear Paula, but he's annoying the fuck out of me. Maybe wake and bake or some shit. I don't fucking know. But he have the old spoon. I'll get back to y'all in a minute. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Like this video. If you don't subscribe, you're racist. And make sure you share this video to your grandma, because she needs love. Oh yeah, boys, we got the goods. Got a Big Mac, got a sweet tea. I think I got some French fries. Life's good, guys. Honestly, can't complain. Well, except for the fact Susan's trying to get me off YouTube. But fuck that bitch. Yeah. Fuck that bitch. Yeah. It's a good idea, actually. I just thought of something. Yeah, that's a real good idea. Yeah, I'll have to let y'all know on that. The sheep, boys, that's one good way to start off the morning. Karen, I hope you like that blood that's on there. All right, guys. Yeah, it's the next day. I didn't really record much yesterday, but yeah, I guess it's all. I'm just gonna do some like bass fishing or something. Come in. Come in.
Hey, you have a package.
All right. Hold on, guys. I'll be back in a second. Oh my gosh, guys, this is what I think it is. I've been waiting for this for a while. I got an email from YouTube a while back. I never thought they'd send it to me this early, but usually I heard usually takes them a long time to send this to people. But dang, that's in a pretty big box. Like, let me go get a tripod. I'll be back in a second. All right, so most of you guys know we're at like 1.13K now. Yeah. It's been a minute since we hit 1,000 subscribers, so thank you guys for that. If it weren't for y'all, I would not be here. So thank y'all guys. I'm truly blessed. And get some water first. Nice. But yeah, Pornhub. YouTube sent me this. See, from YouTube, not from Pornhub. It's MattSonesTV. Y'all even read that? Holy shit. But yeah, so I guess we're just gonna do the unboxing. Yeah. Wait, should I go closer? It's like a big milestone for me and you guys. Y'all guys are. For those who have been here since day one, if y'all remember my old fishing videos, thank you for sticking around even after all those. This is season 1 officially. This starts season 1, this video right here. This is not the best video I'm coming out with yet. There's gonna be way better ones, so subscribe, make sure you share this with other people so I can figure out, like, I'm thinking of like stunts, guys, like serious fucking things I could die from doing this shit. But you only live once, so as much as I love living, I want to live to my fullest. So without y'all subscribing and liking these videos and watching them and sharing them with people, I can't do that. So yeah, do that, because whenever I get a subscriber, it gives me motivation. So just, yeah, stay tuned. Damn, you think they put some fucking like packaging tape on here, not some fucking, what is this, duct tape, gorilla tape? Guess it got the job done there, so shit. So crazy. Man, this is so crazy, guys. Okay, we almost got it. Okay. Maybe I should like open this with like fire or something, like heat up the knife and fucking wet ham on it. There we go, guys. Okay, we got it open. Smell the knife. First thing we get, it's a letter. Got a letter from YouTube. Dear MattSonesTV, congratulations on passing 1,000 subscribers on your channel. This was a huge milestone for you, and you worked very hard to reach it. You have more subscribers than the population of humans that live on the moon. With 2 copyright strikes and 3 community guideline strikes, we are proud to reward you with this cardboard plaque. The fuck? Keep up the good work. Don't do no more bullshit. More bullshit. What the hell? We can't wait to see your next milestone of 10,000 subscribers. Yours, sincerely, Susan. Fucking bitch from YouTube. Fucking bitch, I swear. So that was cardboard? What the fuck you mean cardboard? Wait, I'll show y'all this. What the fuck? Guys, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? I got fucking, what is that, blood? MattSonesTV, congrats on surpassing 1,000 subscribers. Holy shit, guys, we fucking did it. That right there that is fucking awesome. Thank you guys for this piece of art from YouTube and Susan, of course. Susan can be a bitch, but you know, she loves me. I know she does. And yeah, like they said, next goal 10,000. Probably gonna hit it not anytime soon, but I'm gonna work my ass off until I do, and then I'm gonna keep on going until we hit 50K, and this gonna be on 100,000K. So yeah, thank you guys for this right here. If it weren't for you guys, then yeah, I wouldn't be here. You know, I'd probably be dead or on drugs or in jail. Fuck, I don't know. We'll probably still be in school. Shit, I'm so glad that y'all guys are supporting me, supporting my dreams. But yeah, if you guys, if it weren't for y'all, I would not be here. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit there right there. I'm gonna talk on that. Get some water. Hold on. Oh shit. So yeah, in the next video, y'all notice I've not realized I've been wearing a lot of hats, except for like this video I wasn't really wearing that much. It was just this. The hair's kind of gotten a little out of control. You guys can't tell. You guys cannot tell. So yeah, the next video I'm probably gonna be. Look, I've actually thought of this. I'm going to do this. I'm going to give myself an at-home self haircut. I'm going to do my own hair. So you guys stay tuned for that. I've never done that. I may have when I was little. Probably fucked it up, but yeah, make sure you share this video, tell everyone what the fuck's gonna happen in the next one, so they'll be like, oh shit, let's go watch these fucking videos, and maybe we can, you know, subscribe, so we can keep on helping all the single mothers out. I love helping out the single mothers, and the grandmothers, of course. Some grannies out there. Don't hit me up in the DMs, but yeah, I'm probably gonna leave this video off here. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, fucking comment. Comment what you want to see me do. You know, fucking. Or leave a fucking dislike. I don't care, guys. Okay? It's equal to me. Shit, I'm not really stressing it. Because I'm gonna do it either way, you fucking like it or not. So, yeah, I guess I'm gonna leave this off here. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment, MattSonesTV out.